let's say James. Okay, so we have done a reassigning here. So if we decide to tell him to alert name now, okay, Ctrl S, and we'll come back here. Okay, still loading. Okay, let's close it and give us a new one. Let's reload it. So it has given us James, okay, because we have said what name should be James, okay. But if we are using const is constant, so it won't regard what we are doing, okay. Don't regard that because we have made John to be constant, okay. So if we decide to console log, if we have to check our console for this now, what we will have a problem there because on code type error, assign constant variable, okay. We have assigned a const here. We cannot declare it again as another thing. So by the time we remove this, okay, and then we save it and come back here, that's alerted John for us, okay. So John will not change because we have made it constant. But when we are saying let you can still take a change, okay. So that's what we are going for today. So today we want to look at how we can mix, and by the time we get into JavaScript proper, you will begin to learn more of that, okay. So let's open a let's give it a paragraph, okay. So we want to use an ID of okay, sorry, we shouldn't be putting this inside our script. Okay, so let's come outside and just put it here. P, we are going to an ID of let's say test, because we are testing, okay. So let's say test, and then we close it, okay. So if we now decide to say I am a boy, okay. So with HTML we have declared that I am a boy, okay, and that's what we have here, right? But you can use JavaScript to also change what you have here, okay. So inside JavaScript you can decide to say document, okay, dot get element by ID. You know, we saved it with ID here, right? So we want to get it to by ID, okay. So then we're going to say we want to get element by ID. So we open a bracket, then we want to enter what's the ID name. The ID name is test, okay. Good. So now we're going that the ID name is text. The next thing we want to do is we want to alter the element inside that ID, okay. So we are going to say inner HTML. I want to say inner HTML, okay, equals to, I want to give it a new